The importance of patient follow-up and maintenance is essential to determine treatment success or failure. In today's study of the month, I highlight how this routine is also key to identifying complications early and intervening in time. Data should be collected before and after implantation, at least once a year. Technical complications such as loose crowns, abutments, crown shipping, biological complication through bleeding on probe and probe death must be checked for proper control. When we see maintenance as part of a therapeutic success, we keep the patient at the center of care, and this naturally qualifies our surgery, materials, its strengths, evidence-based dentistry, and keep the treatment, ensures the treatment, having focus on patient health above all. With this, I wish you a happy new year and see you in 2026.